Hello friends, welcome to my channel, spoiler channel. In this video I am going to update about My Hero Academia chapter 314 spoiler and leak circulate on social media and what exactly happened in this leak. I am going to update you, so watch the video till end and never skip any part of the video. The detailed spoiler for My Hero Academia chapter 314 have been leaked online. So what will go down this week between Deku and Lady Nagant? There is no doubt about it. Between season 5 of the anime and new chapter of the manga, the weekend belonged to My Hero Academia. Over recent chapter, we have seen the fallout from the latest battle and jailbreaks, ending last week with Deku facing off against Lady Nagant in an epic showdown. Now the spoiler for My Hero Academia chapter 314 have finally been revealed, and fans are saying, I got tired of waiting for new episode of My Hero Academia, so I started reading the manga, but now I am ill caught up and have to wait anyway. And I am going to tell you now what is the release date of My Hero Academia chapter 314 or 314. My Hero Academia chapter 314 is scheduled to release around the world on Sunday, May 30th, and it's been one day. Today is going to be revealed. Finally caught up with My Hero Academia manga. I actually like Deku now. My Hero Academia chapter 3 spoiler and leak. Spoiler warning, do not read unless you wish to know potential spoiler for My Hero Academia 314. These spoilers have been reported by multiple sources, but remember that leak spoiler may not be 100% accurate. The chapter is titled The Lovely Lady Nagant and open with Nagant being both shocked and impressed by Deku's speed, as Deku started asking about all of the one. Nagant is fighting back through claiming that she still hasn't lost just yet and uses her elbow rifle to knock Deku back. Deku is confused as to why she is under AFO control, especially as she used to be hero herself. Nagant explained how Deku is not seeing the bigger picture as Deku started to feel the impact of using multiple Quarek at once. We then see a flashback to when Nagant was a hero using her radio bullet to kill criminal back in time before they even commit horrific act. One scene show her screaming that she is just following order as she kill a group of terrorists. She then revealed how she was pushed to the breaking point by HPSC chairman who used her as puppet until she broke down and killed him herself. Deku is shocked to hear Nagant's background and side of the story as she continued to say that the future with AFO is stronger and more stable than otherwise. Then Siku says that he is starting to understand that the world is mostly grey instead of being black and white, which is why he is trying to help her. Nagant then Anemia her gun at Overhaul, who is still stood nearby. Deku is surprised by call out his name, Chisaki. This article will be updated if any more spoiler and leak begin to circulate on social media, and I am going to update when any further news has arrived. So this is the latest news about My Hero Academia chapter 314 spoiler and leak circulate that is on social media. As we know, when every new chapter has revealed on social media, it is trending, especially on Twitter, because Twitter has a lot of fan following of academia, and people are discussing about every chapter when new chapter have arrived. Similarly, My Hero Academia is also discussed by fan, and now fan is saying that My Hero Academia full summary is titled The Lovely Lady Nagant. After catching Lady Nagant, we see some of Deku thinking process. He understood she would have to be somewhere where she could shoot all the four decoys instantly. Nagant is impressed by Deku's speed, wondering what he did inside the smoke. He started asking about All for One, but Lady Nagant fight back, saying that she hasn't lost yet and that the Public Safety Commission trained her well. She leaves her elbow rifle and hits Deku with its impact, but the dodges the shoe that comes right after it. Deku is really confused as to why she under AFO control, especially considering that Lady Nagan used to be a hero. She said Deku can only see his artificially created piece, and the people painted with this color are never able to see the full picture. Deku is confused about the color thing, and his body is starting to feel the consequences of combining multiple characters. Negan shoot another one of those radio bullets and started talking to him about how she killed too many people to maintain this false society. Going well, going until she got tired of it. She was given secret order from the commission like to educate those involved in terrorist attack before it even happened. Dagon flashback start. She start her career at the time of Valignate, started being perceived as heroes and were receiving the people approval. She was a gear of this forming system working in broad daylight and behind the curtain to guarantee things would go to the right way. We then see her killing those terrorists while they are saying why did even do anything yet were just follow order. Negan repeated to herself over and over that she was just obeying order, that it was for greater good. But her breaking point came when a bunch of kids spotted her on street claiming to be her friends and asking for handshake. She extended her hand, but all she could see was the blood of people she killed. Lady Negan returned to commission where she felt really tired, yet she got another order to kill people from the hero public safety. So this is the latest summary. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel for future videos and details.